Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is very beginner friendly as far as when it comes to curls. There's so many different types of curls. There's so many different sizes of curls, looks you can give with certain curls. Like, it's just a whole science, but today we only focus on the beginner friendly stuff and the things you need just to get a simple curl, not nothing too extra. This is for my everyday girls who just want to give some type of curly look. I feel like this is very beginner, everyday friendly. It's not too glamorous, but it's still very, look, I got a blowout, or look, I went and got some curls. It's in, when the heat touch it, it might drop, like, you know, it's got some waves going, whatever. So if you want to know how I got this look or how exactly I do my beginner friendly curls, then keep watching. Alright y'all, so we're going to just jump straight into it. So this wig came like a natural loose body wave type of vibe. So I had to just go in with some type of silkening serum or some type of something. You can use BioSilk, you can use Beyond the Zone, you can use Silk Me, which is what I use from Climax Hair Care. I just used that to, you know, give the hair a nice little luster. And I took this blow drying brush that I got from Amazon that I'm so excited to use because I was fiending to get this. And I just tried to get the hair as straight as possible. And this hair really had a deep wave in it because this blow dryer brush thing, it was getting it a little straight in certain sections, but you really had to get through it to like do it. So that was a little task, but it was cute. Now, I already plucked it off camera. Y'all know I'm not doing no plucking on camera. That's too much. But I took it and I'm just flattening my whole canvas because I need it to lay as flat as possible. And I feel like I can't really get to the root like I can when it's on my wig stand. So I had to really, like, you know, I had to get as close as I possibly can. This is also one of my tricks to getting a widow's peak. So I didn't get too much in depth, but this is one of the techniques that I use to get my widow's peak, minus the extra plucking I do when I'm doing that as well. It really doesn't matter what you choose to lay your hair with, but just for demonstration purposes, I thought it was a little bit easier to show y'all when I use the razor comb compared to a scissor, because when I get a scissor, I get in there. So I don't know if I was going to be able to angle the camera to be able to show y'all all that. So I'm just trying to show what I can. But I'm taking sections just as big as this at a time. You really don't have to do too much of a big section or too small where it take up all your day. But I'm going to just take a section like this, and I'm just going to take that razor comb and I'm just going to go straight down. Well, I meant the scissors. Look, I don't even know. Like, I'm back and forth. I alternate between tools all the time. But the scissor kind of gives you a more precise cut, and the razor comb kind of gives you a jagged edge. So it really depends on what look you're going for, if that makes sense. But the scissor was doing what it do. Just be very careful and cut longer lengths at a time. Y'all, I'm just so tongue-tied. I'm choking on my words. It's just, I'm bugging out. But you always want to cut your layers longer than you intend to, because if you cut it too short, it's no going back. So be very, very, very careful. I always stress that when cutting layers. I also like the fact that I kind of like the look of a blunt cut end with layers and curls, because it just gives it this healthy look. Not saying if you don't, you know, trim the ends that it won't come out good, but I've been loving the blunt cut ends lately. I'm not gonna lie. So for my layers in the front, I'm gonna curl them away from my face, because I know some of y'all tried to correct me one of these times. Look, I'm curling away from my face. And for the back, I'm kind of gonna follow the same pattern, but I'm also gonna curl in different directions just to try to give the hair some type of dimension, which I didn't. First of all, I used the curling iron, I was too big to get the look that I really wanted, and this did give me the big soft curls that I did want. However, I think when you're layering hair and you're trying to demonstrate, I think you should use a curling iron that is, I don't even know the exact size. I'm going to put the link in the bio to this exact flat iron. I mean, hot comb. Why the hell do I keep saying flat iron? But you can use a flat iron to curl too, don't get me wrong. But it's a certain one you got to use. We ain't there yet. This beginner friendly, okay? Period. So it just really depends on, the bigger your curling iron is, the bigger your waves and your curls are going to be. The smaller it is, the more tight your curls are going to be. Most likely, the longer they're going to last. So it really depends on what type of look you're going for.
y'all, so this is pretty much how it came out, and it's like I'm having mixed feelings because I don't know why I'm having mixed feelings, to be honest. Honestly, no, I know why I'm having mixed feelings because I did not pin up these back curls like I should have. So it's like my layers, like my facial frame and layers are here, like they're here, it's cute, whatever, but I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to certain things, and I just feel like I don't know, like I know damn well I'm supposed to pin up my curls and I did not. So every time you do things different than what you usually do, they come out different. So that's just basically what that was. But I'm pretty sure that y'all get the gist of how to curl and get these type of facial framing layers, because there's also a way where if you want to flip it backwards, curl your hair backwards away from the face, and those give you a certain result. Or you want to curl hair but you want it to be like more straight at the ends, I could also do a tutorial on that. But this is just the basics. I feel like y'all see me curl so much and it's really not hard, but I know to some people it's really the tools, it's really how you curl, your technique. It's really kind of a science to it. So this is really just beginners. It's not really super in-depth. So if you want to see, I already know, I'm not gonna say if you want to see, I know y'all want to see the different types of curls, different patterns, tools, everything. So that's gonna be a whole separate video, but for now this is just good enough for beginners. So I hope y'all kind of got the gist of it, got the feel, you know. It's cute, it's cute. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was a little quick, a little something, little closure wig, something cute to just throw on and just go. So that's very much what it was giving, what it was supposed to give, and what it gives, and what it gave. So with that being said, thank y'all so much for tuning into my video. If you like this video, like, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.